Hello friends, we have a dual fuel gas range. This customer's complaint was that these gas knobs, when they were turning it in summer like this, they would just turn by itself back in sometime, and it was happening on some of them, maybe 2 or 3. In order to fix this issue, these gas valves, all of them needs to be replaced at the same time. There's 3 gas valves that they are 15,000 BTUs, which is the port number. This one, it's this gas valve, this one, and this one. All these 3, the port number is this, needs to be replaced. And the small one is at the back, which is a small burner compared to the large one. The port number is 827440, and it's this one. It's also looking a little bit different. See the red screw and green screw, which is totally different from all 3. There's 4 of them, and then all of these 3 that they're looking the same has a purple color on the top screw and then green screw at the bottom. So they are all the same, 3 of them. You have to replace all 4 burners gas valves at the same time. And in order to replace it, if you're a homeowner, I do not recommend you doing this, because you need to have a gas ticket, and there's a lot of risk doing this by yourself. And if you don't know how to do this, if you're a technician, then there's a 1/4 inch screw. You remove this, the gas lifts up, and I'm going to show you the gas valve lifts up. This gasket sits on top here, and you're screwing it in. You're screwing it in from the bottom, and it sits good from there. Also, there's one gas line going here, one here, which is located right here. In order to remove that, you need a crescent wrench, but a small one. You may want to have a small crescent wrench and a small ratchet in order to remove this screw, because your screw drill bit or nothing can stick here, so you really need a special tool to stick it underneath and open it that way. And the model number on this unit is df304. I also had to replace her main relay board, which is this one. The reason I replaced this, because the customer was having issues with the oven not heating, because it's blown from the back, and this happened after the self-clean, and that's why I do not recommend running self-clean on these units. And the port number on this control board is 807052. It's only held by one screw. You have to remove this top cover from top area here. It's held by 2 screws, but you have to remove the bull nose. It's also held by 4 screws. Before you remove the top, you may want to remove each of these knobs one by one, including this thermostat control for the inside of the oven, and then after that you can do the job. Also, take pictures before you do any of the repairs here, because you do not want to put the wires in wrong places and blow the new control board and possibly cause more issues. This is the only connector that needs to be disconnected, and this one, before you pull the whole control board tray out. Otherwise, you're gonna have a very hard time, and you can possibly damage your control board or damage your wiring harness by pulling it out. Also, make sure, it's very important to turn off the gas line to the whole oven and turn off the power to from the breaker, and then you're good after that. Thank you.